Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great day. Well, as you can see, we have another unbagging, so that means we have another review. So let's take a look at who this is from. Well, we got bits and pieces and more bits and pieces. All right. This package is from DIYChoose, and I did order this on the 13th of January, and I told you we were having all kinds of issues with the post office and everything else, so it finally got here. So I'm very happy that it did. So first things first, I have tools and I have a cross stitch kit. So I got some more clips because at the time they were on sale for 49 cents each for each pair. So I got 2 pairs like that. They're just like the others, only they're in they're not light blue, but they're dark blue, and they work just the same. They are absolutely wonderful. I use them for pre-stamped diamond painting and counted cross stitch. They hold everything together really well, and I can't function without them. And especially nice to have if you have like a wider one, you're going to fit on your lap. You can put 2 or 4 on there and it'll just hold it. So we got 2 sets of those. They're wonderful. I just absolutely love those things. And usually they're, anywhere from 50 cents to, oh, I don't know. They've been up to $3 or $4 for 2. So at different stores, but like I said, they just so happen to have these on sale. So, yeah. Now, let's see. These, I ordered 1 set of these, and I'm not sure how many are in there, but they were $3.99. It looks like there's a bunch. But they're, if I could just get the sucker open. They're the plastic bobbins. These are kind of opaque-ish, if you will. They're not clear. But they come in, 2 or 3 different colors. And there's probably 100 in there. I am not real sure. But yeah. I thought I keep saving these, and one of these days I'm gonna bobbinate a whole bunch of my DMC, and I have a flat box that I could put those in too. So these are nice and sturdy. They're not paper by any means, and I don't know if you can tell about how thick they are. It's less than 1/8 of an inch, but they're really sturdy. And it does have a hole in the top so you can put your rings through it if you'd like. But yeah, I like them. I had gotten some, oh gosh, it's been 3 or 4 years. Sorry, I'm burning up here. At Amazon, they were like 500 in a bag, so there's probably 100 in this one. I'm kind of guessing. It doesn't say anything here. That's what I kept looking at this sticker. So, yeah, we'll just put them with the others, and that way I'll have plenty to bobbinate. And I don't mind using thread that has been put on a bobbin. I have a bunch of cardboard ones. I think this was one that somebody actually sent me, because back there a while ago, I think it was Rebecca, sent me a whole bunch of colors, and hers was already done on the nice cardboard DMC ones. So, yeah. So, we'll use them sooner or later. Yeah, that'll be one of those things when we have nothing else better to do with our day. So, let's get on to the cross stitch. Now, funny story. Like I said, I hadn't seen this package. I didn't know how long it was going to take or why it was taking so long or if they lost it, in the mail shuffle and all that. And they did send me the, what do you call it, tracking number for this package. DIYChoose did. And I think they won't be able to track it because it's an overseas number. Does that make sense? So yeah, so I ordered this at another store, so look for it in the giveaway. But I just absolutely loved this picture. And actually, I loved the tiger. Isn't he gorgeous? I was thinking of just doing the tiger part. But yeah, it's a 50 by 63. Does have the product number, how big it is, and how many squares per square. It is an 11 count. Does have, this is a nice, big, huge paper. And it has a nice big instructions. It does show you how to do all the stitches on the bottom. So that's cool. But look how big these squares, yeah, that didn't work, did it? How big the squares are. They're very easy to read on this pattern. So that's good. I'm glad they're getting them bigger. It's on that shiny paper again. This has 46 colors in it. Nice big key. Does have the colors of the threads over here. And it's huge. Just ginormous. I just absolutely fell in love with all the colors and that tiger. If I could just figure out how to graft all that and graft like her arm out of it, I would just do the tiger part. But yeah, he's beautiful. But yeah, it's nice to see a nice big pattern. I don't see any smears on this. It has a beautiful clear picture right here. So yeah, gorgeous. And it was $15.89. Let's take a look at the threads. It does have the same product number on this plastic bag, as well as the size of the canvas. Paper pattern will match the canvas. Oh, before I forget, oh, we have a new bag. It's a koi. Can you see it? Oh, I hope so. And it's got 5 needles, a poof ball, a thimble, and a needle threader. So this must be the new, let me see if I put this behind it, you can see it. There we go. Although the poof ball's getting in the way now. And the thimble. Yeah. Or maybe it goes that way. I'm not sure. But yeah. So, must be the new packaging for this month. Back to the threads. There we go. Alright, so we got some hanks. We have 722. It's like a beautiful bright orange. That must be for part of that tiger and other shading places. We have 939. And what do you want to make a bet? First guess. Nope, right. It's 310 black. Yep. Boy, they're really close. You can almost tell that's navy. If you get it in the light, you can. Then we have, it looks like 814, but not sure. Nope, it's at 902. It's that dark brick red. It's gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. And we have 3371, which is dark brown. Isn't that beautiful? So you got 5 hanks of thread there. Let's look at the rest of them. I just love the turquoises and blues in this. Aren't they beautiful? Bright, vivid colors. Look at that turquoise. Oh, gorgeous. And then we have bright yellow. Awesome. And then, of course, you're going to have the tiger colors. Hang on, I got to get everybody going in the right direction. There we go. Beautiful colors. Just stunning. Stunning, stunning colors. For her costume, for the tiger. We have that lovely plum color here. It is so gorgeous. Just love it. And then like a dark royal blue. Then you have some teals, some purples, some bright oranges, yellows. Gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous colors. Just stunning. Alright, let me put that up there. Everything keeps getting caught. Let me move everything out of my way. I'm going to put that back with that. Now this canvas is serged all the way around, which is nice. I'm just cutting off the ends from the serging. And this is an up and down picture. Does have the product number, how big it is, how many squares per square. Very nice key on the side. Looks like you got some big areas and some small areas. Yeah, not small. That's not what I meant. Some confetti is where I was going with all that. The stitching does run into the numbers, but your paper pattern matches this, so you won't have anything to worry about there. Canvas is very well printed. I am not seeing any smears or anything like that. Kind of has like a sparkle to it. I don't know if that's the not finishing, what do you call it? Like a starch that they put on it. But it just kind of sparkles. Never saw that before. It's awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Nice and big. I mean, the tiger's head is this big. Yeah. So, yeah, very beautiful. Let's see if we can measure this puppy or not. I'm not real sure, so just hold your horses. Okay. It, excuse me, measures from here. Excuse me. We were out in the dirt and the dust. Oh my goodness. It still affected me. 62 centimeters, which is almost 24 and a half across by 51 centimeters or 20 inches. Actual picture size is, we'll call it 45 or 17 3/4 inches that way by 56 and a half or 22 1/4 inches. So it's not too big, not too small. I mean, it'd fit across your lap. But yeah. And it does have some nice big areas and confetti, but you know, it's more in the detailing. But it looks like they're in like circles or rivers. Like you can tell that, like right here. See how it's like on his paw that comes across there. So yeah, it'd be interesting to see what this looks like stitched. Where to start? Would you start from that? My goodness gracious. Not sure. So now, you know, I told you it took a while for this to get here. Do not base what would happen if you ordered today. Usually takes about 2 weeks. I don't know what I'm trying to say. So usually that's the way it's gone with DIYChoose until our post office got messed up and we didn't have anybody to work, and then they weren't delivering the mail, and yeah, it was 2 weeks of terror. So yeah. But anyway, thank you DIYChoose for the beautiful kit and the lovely tools. I love them, and I will be using my clips all the time. Don't know when we'll start to use those, but we will. Now, DIYChoose has diamond painting, cross stitch, beaded cross stitch, and embroidery. They do custom. They also have paint by number And they have a separate Joy Sunday category. I don't know what they do in custom, whether it's just diamond painting or whether it's just cross stitch or paint by number. You'll have to check that out for yourself. They do tools and crafts for both diamond painting, cross stitch, and paint by number. And they always have really good prices and really great shipping, so do check them out. Thank you for joining me today. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye.